So you need your developer, the bleach. I'm using just a plastic bowl I'm not going to use again, and the weighing scale. You also need a disposable wooden fork or spoon. Most importantly, get your gloves. I have been fighting this wig since the beginning of time.
In the beginning.
And also, you get to see the shape of my head. Glorious, isn't it? Before, hope you can see that.
There, I see it!
I went over to Super Duper Cosmetics. They had color developer, which was going I think for 300. The bleach itself, which is this, was going for 350 shades. Okay, so this is what it's looking like pre-bleached. That's what we have. I really hope this is visible. And then I'm using just a plastic bowl I'm not going to use again, and the weighing scale. Importantly, get your gloves. I don't have the disposable gloves, so I'll just use these. 12 grams of the bleaching powder. Then I'll use 25 grams or 25 ml of this. Grab your bleach powder and developer. We're going for a 2-to-1 ratio. That's 2 parts developer to 1 part bleach powder. Make sure you mix it up really good until it's got this consistency of thick yogurt. We don't want it too runny because that could risk messing up the wig on the other side. Now gently pat the mixture onto your lace using your knife or fork. Do it like you're spreading butter on bread. Be super careful not to press too hard. We're not baking a cake here, we just want to coat these little knots. Okay, I can already see in some spots the hair strands that were out seem to be changing color, so I'll just go ahead and add more to the whole lace part. And I'm trying to do it so carefully not to push it through, but just do it on top so that the hair doesn't bleach at the other side. Let it sit for about 20 to 25 minutes, but keep an eye on it. You want to avoid over-processing, which can lead to some serious wig drama, and I mean breaking of the strands. After 25 minutes, time's up. Rinse it out with lukewarm water. Make sure all that bleach is out. And then shampoo with a neutralizing shampoo to stop the bleaching reaction. Make sure you wash your wig thoroughly. We need to make sure there's no bleach remaining at all. If anything, I'm going in twice for this shampoo. Follow up with a nourishing conditioner. I'm using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Leave-In Conditioner. We'll let it sit there for a while to keep the hair nice and soft. After the leave-in conditioner, I'll go in with more conditioner because strengthening this hair after we've just used some bleach is really important. So now I'm going in with some regular conditioner and I'll let that sit in for 20 minutes. I'll detangle the hair while the conditioner is still in the hair. Remember to detangle with a white tooth comb. After the conditioner has sat in for about 10 to 15 minutes, we rinse again. And then add in some more leave-in conditioner, and then we just hang it up to dry. I put the wig to dry after bleaching it, and this is what we have. I hope you can see there's some hairs that, you know, because they're poking out from underneath, so some hairs are brown, and then I don't know if the hair was already had some brown, but then it looks like the front hair also has a wee bit of brown as well, but it's not too bad. But yes, it definitely turned the inside, or some of the hairs, they look a little gingerish. Okay, so if we divide a random part on the wig, this is what it's looking like. I hope you can see. So I think I definitely did a good job because like the hair strands itself, not a lot of blonde peeps through. Okay, this is just after washing. I haven't even put any color on the lace, but I don't know if it dyed the lace, but the lace definitely seems lighter. But this is what it's looking like. I don't know if there is a difference. I'll just have to see it when I put the footage on the computer, but I feel like there's a slight difference. Anyway, this, just in case, by the way, in case your wig is looking like dull or the color is not shiny, just wash it. I washed it and then I put leave-in conditioner before it dried out. Like when it still had water, I put in just a few spritz of leave-in conditioner, not a lot, very little, because also this is very like smooth hair. But like look at how shiny it's become, and I haven't styled it. This is just after washing. But anyway, let me try and style it and also put in some color. Okay, so to bring the lace to a proper color, because now it's just too bright, I'm just gonna take my darkest contour, get my big brush, dab in there, and then just, especially on the hairline, because you don't need to put it everywhere because not everywhere is showing, so just where you're gonna do a part. So just go on just across the hairline, take a bit more, and then that will just, I'll show you the difference. You'll see the difference of how it'll look. It'll look more realistic, I feel. I wish I had spray. I just don't have lace tint spray. I forgot to order it on Amazon. I have to just do it next time. Okay. And then, because I want to sort of seal this color in, just take my got2b and then just spray from far, but just along the areas where I have put it. And then just let her dry a little bit. Okay, and then I'll just add more again on top on the hairline, just so we don't have that super bright lace. So it can blend with my, sort of blend with my scalp, or with my hairline. You see that already starts to look a wee bit better. The difference is I still need to style it. It's just, I'm looking like Mufasa right now. Simba! Okay, actually I haven't even styled it. I've just done like a tiny side part. I mean the lace is like lifted here. But I'm like, since I'm not going anywhere, I don't want to spend so much time trying to like lay it down. But it's not looking too bad, I feel. Maybe what I can do, I can just take a hot comb and try to flatten this section here just a little bit. This is the final result, and I think it looks good. I don't know. And it looks less clustered along here than it did before. And this wig is, what are the different percentages? I think 180% or more. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I made another video on how to make a non-glueless wig look glueless, or at least just be tight. Ooh, I can't believe I managed to flatten it and also just to put this lace down without using glue. I'm still proud of myself. So you don't always have to lay a wig if you don't feel like it.